So viewers, let's simplify key mathematical concepts, starting with powers. Powers allows us to express repeated multiplication efficiently. Let's say, for example, 3 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 3 times 3. Negative powers, such as 10 raised to the power of minus 3 is equals to 0.001. Powers can also be written using this symbol. Let's say, for example, you have 10 raised to the power of 6 written like this. Next, let's look at symbols that help make numbers easier to read. Talking about decimal points. The decimal point separates whole numbers from fractions. We also have comma. This symbol is used as a thousand separator to make large numbers more readable. Like, for example, 1000 can be written like this. Now let's explore how parentheses with the symbol this is used to determine which calculations are performed first. Just like the Bodman's rule, let's say, for instance, so we have 5 plus 3 times 2. Moving on, percentages are another concept in mathematics. Percentage with the symbol this simply means out of 100. Let's say we have an example, 50%. This simply means 50 out of 100. Finally, let's wrap up with a crucial mathematical constant, talking about pi with the symbol this. Pi is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter and is approximately 3.1428 to infinity. It's an irrational number, meaning its decimal goes on infinitely without repeating. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye.